Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Mom's Lazeez Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook yummy and delicious Maggi noodles. It's really amazing and tasty and easy to cook. So let's start to cook this amazing recipe of Maggi. Hey guys, today I'm going to cook Maggi 2 minutes noodles, which was really easy to cook and so tasty. So here I'm not gonna follow like easy rules of cooking Maggi. I'm gonna follow some of spicy and tasty rules of cooking Maggi. That one is really amazing, and I'm pretty sure this one is new for you, because most of the people, they used to cook so normally Maggi, like they just take it at home and they cook as normally we used to cook. Here is written the recipe. As we can see, the first step, break the noodle cake into 4 parts. Like these steps, but I'm not gonna cook like this. I'm gonna cook in my way. It's kind of different, but this one is really tasty. Here I take some spices for making my Maggi tasty and extra, right? So let's start to cook. So here we take 1 pot for making Maggi. So first of all, we need to hot this pot. So here I on the flame of gas and let this pot hot. So now pot is hot. We need to add a little bit of oil, kinda 1-2 teaspoon of oil, not much. So I take 2 teaspoon of oil, and we need to let the oil hot. Now oil is hot. I'm gonna add the half piece of chopped onion. Now we will add a ginger garlic paste, a half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. After adding ginger garlic paste, we need to mix this well with onion. Then we will add 1 chopped chili, green chili. It also give a tasty taste and flavor. After adding green chili and ginger garlic paste, we need to mix it well, and little bit we need to make it roast, not much, kind of little light brown. So how it look like? It looks like a light brown, like a reddish. Now we will add tomato. Here I take 1 chopped tomato. I'm gonna add it and mix it well. After adding tomato, we need to cook this well until the tomato cooks well. We have to cook it like this, brown cooking. So see, like we roast tomato for 1 minute, and now you can see this consistency of the tomato. We will add a water, kinda half a glass of water. We will add on it. After adding water, we will add a half a teaspoon of salt. Salt is like you can add according to your taste, and I will add the 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of red chili powder for extra spices. And we need to mix it well. And now we need to add Maggi masala. So here I open the packet, and as you can see here, we found masala in this Maggi. The both of Maggi packet, we will find the masala. So we need to open this masala. So let me open this. See, I found 2 masala packet. So as you can see here is like Maggi masala. We will add this bowl and this bowl. second one we will add. Now we need to add this masala and this mixture, spice. Now we need to mix it well after adding Maggi masala. Now this masala will give this our spice like a Maggi spice, yummy taste. It's really tasty. The smell is really coming, so delicious. Oh my gosh, it's really amazing. Yes, take a little bit much time, but it's really easy to cook and it will really tasty. So if you need taste in something, you need to give your little bit time much for eating something tasty, right? So now we will mix it well over masala and let this masala cook well. Now 1 minute has passed. Now we need to add water, kinda 1 glass of water. Then we will boil our noodles. Okay, let's mix it well after adding water. Add onion brown. We will add this Maggi here, like this. And then I'm gonna add this, you can see, kind of small pieces of noodles, and we will let this noodle boil together. First let this water roll boil once, then we will make flame low. Now you can see the roll boil is coming in the water. And now we have to put the flame low and then cover this pot by a lid. For 2 minutes we need to cook on low flame, and we will check our noodles. We need to dry this extra water. Hey guys, now our noodles is ready. Let's serve this noodles. Oh my god, the smell is coming really delicious. So now I turn off the flame and let's serve this noodles on a plate. So here I'm going to serve these noodles. You know, I cook noodles like kind of little soupy. As you can see, there's like some of masala water of Maggi, but these are spices. So guys, here I'm gonna do something new. Like, I take 1 tomato and I'm gonna cut this tomato like this. I'm not gonna cut the tomato, I'm gonna peel this, you can see, like this, the upper side of tomato. I'm gonna peel this like this. We just need this because I'm gonna make a rose from tomato. As you can see, I already take hold of them. So now we need this. We have this, right? We have this. So first of all, we're gonna start from here where we start cutting. So I'm gonna round this like this. You just need to round like this. You can see I'm gonna take this, and now I need some leaves. So now our delicious noodles is ready. So try to cook this special and delicious noodles. See you again with new yummy tasty dishes. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care all. Bye bye. Hasta la vista. And thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day. Ta-ta.